Peace, prosperity, and abundance to you all. I'm making this video to do an update of my raw vegan journey. It is now day 7. Okay, I will continue to keep you all updated as I continue on my raw vegan journey. This first week of me being raw vegan, okay, I would say I was not 100% raw vegan or 100% fruitarian. I was like 85%. There are days, like I made it at least 4 days where I only ate fruit and only ate raw, but so since I'm here in Thailand, things don't always go as expected, and I just have to deal with life and just not having access to the things that I need at different points in time. So I think maybe the second or third day I was really stressed, and I decided to give in to that stress that I was feeling, and I ate a vegan burger. It was really great. It was at this place called Boost Cafe here in Thailand. It was amazing. Did not need that. I should have just fought through my emotions, and during these times you do get really emotional because like even transitioning to raw food and raw vegan, like you're detoxing a lot, so it's causing you to have to do, and you become very emotional, so you have to deal with all of that, and you can either deal with it head on or give in, and I gave in. So I'm gonna do a whole lot better with that moving forward this week with the next 7 days with my raw vegan journey. Also, what else I went through? I went to stay in a villa with like one of my friends here in Thailand, British, and there wasn't any fruit markets where we were staying, which is so like not normal, you know, because in Thailand always fruit markets everywhere. But we went to stay in an area where it's kind of like beginning to slowly revive itself with tourism, so there just aren't any fruit markets in that area at all. So I had to order food, which I ended up having some like pineapple fried rice. There was some fruit in there though. It wasn't raw. Some pineapple fried rice one of those nights, and the other day I had some hummus and a falafel. So, but I also had fruit, so don't count me out. I'm still on this. So normally in those days I did like my morning, afternoon snack, fruit, and then like probably my last meal was cooked vegan food or non-raw vegan food, not fruit type vibes. But I'm gonna do a lot better. It's definitely a process transitioning and not really having a car to get to all the places that I would want to get, and to be able to bring back everything I need with me, and also just not having everything that I would need or that you would need along the journey. Being prepared is essential in order to stay, you know, consistent, disciplined, and just, you know, keeping tunnel vision and staying on the path. It's just such a process when you just don't have everything. But you have to also like continue like to reaffirm yourself in your journey and everything that you're doing, and that also like uplifts you and keeps you going. So this week I'm going in this with a different intention. So I am going to stay focused, and really everything's just going to flow, period. That's how I feel. Okay, and it's 6 a.m. so I'm drinking my warm lime water, and I also have my ginger water right here. So these are essentials for me on this journey, and just with my holistic health and wellness. Like in the mornings I have to drink my lime lemon water or some hot ginger water or a fresh tea in order to wake my body up and just, you know, cleanse me out. What I will say is that my energy has been amazing, and there were days where I only ate fruit or I only ate watermelon or drank watermelon smoothies, and my energy was great throughout the day without me eating continuously throughout the day. So that for me is important because it's really hot here and I don't want to, like, you know, get dehydrated, pass out. But I'm glad to know that the fruit has been sustaining me very well throughout those days. My digestion has definitely improved. Like I said, I was bloated prior to making my transition, and that was mostly would have to do with pasta and rice that I was eating here for a few of my meals. But you know, we're moving along, we're moving on. And other than that, I would say that my face, which is something that I'm really working on, I would not say inexperienced breakouts, but I have like a few dry spells where like my face begins to crack and it's a little dry. I'm actually planning to do a few face masks this week to combat that, because I don't think it's really my body detoxing that's doing that. I think it's the water here in Thailand, which has caused me to start washing my face with water bottles, because I feel like the water is really breaking out my skin. But other than that, made it through my first week. I'm going to show you the meals I ate, and I hope that you all stay along for the journey. You know, pray for me and send me great positive energy and vibes. I'm sending them back to you. Peace, prosperity, and abundance. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. You are amazing. And yeah, I just want to give you some of this love from me to you. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye. If you have any questions, please make sure that you leave them down in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get back to you. Talk to you later.